If you're seeing Steam Error E502, don't worry, because in most cases this is a temporary issue and it can usually be fixed in just a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to check whether Steam is down, refresh your connection, clear Steam cache files, and try a few different access methods so you can get back into Steam as quickly as possible. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, the most important thing to do is check whether the problem is actually on Steam's side. A Steam E502 error often happens when Steam servers are overloaded or temporarily unavailable. Open your browser and visit a site like steamstat.us or downdetector. These websites can show you whether Steam is currently having server issues. If there's a widespread outage, then the best solution is usually just to wait and try again later. In that case, nothing is wrong with your device, and the error should clear once Steam servers recover. If the servers look fine, the next step is to restart Steam and your internet connection. Close Steam completely, and don't just minimize it. To make sure it is fully closed, open Task Manager and end any Steam processes that are still running. After that, restart your router or modem. This helps fix connection hiccups that can trigger the E502 error. Once your internet reconnects, open Steam again and try loading the store or your library one more time. If you are still getting the error, the next thing to do is clear Steam's cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then select Downloads and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will usually ask you to log back in after doing this, so make sure you know your login details before continuing. Clearing the download cache can remove temporary data that may be causing the error and help Steam start fresh. If that still doesn't solve it, try accessing Steam from a different device or access point. For example, if the desktop client is not loading properly, open Steam in your browser instead. You can also try the mobile app if the store or community pages are giving you trouble on desktop. Sometimes the issue is specific to one app version, and switching to another can help you get back in while the main client is having problems. Another fix you should try is clearing the local Steam cache from your computer. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run box, then type %local app data % and press Enter. Look for the Steam folder and delete it. This can remove corrupted local files that may be causing the E502 error to keep coming back. After deleting the folder, restart your PC, open Steam again, and sign back in. At this point, if you have checked the servers, restarted Steam, restarted your router, cleared the download cache, and removed the local cache, you've covered the most effective fixes for Steam Error E502. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve it right away, especially if the problem was caused by overloaded servers or a temporary connection issue. So to recap, first check whether Steam is down, then restart Steam and your internet. Clear the Steam download cache, try a different access point like the browser or mobile app, and if needed, delete the local Steam cache folder. Those are the best steps to get rid of Steam Error E502 fast. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming and tech fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.